Let's hope I don't get lost again. Let's go outside. This is the campus. This is my room.
We are enjoying together.
It's 3:30 a.m. I don't want to wake anybody up. Out. And this is outside. And then room number 6408. You also have a dustbin. And this is my room. Now I'm going to show you what is there on each floor outside the room. It's a bit confusing, but to find out where this room is. So yeah, let's hope we make it back. Let's hope I don't get lost again in the hostels trying to find my room.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
It's 3:30 a.m. and I don't want to wake anybody up. Let's go outside. So on the hostel floor you have basically a lot of books. There's like a lot of books.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक।
Wash basins, and you have toilets. Toilet here. Okay. A washing machine, some views.
माँ, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ।
And you have cooler here where you can fill your bottles, like your hot, cold water, and you can dry your clothes. And this is how the block is. And then there are stairs to go up, down, and the views, of course. So guys, you saw a little too zigzag. It's finding a room here is like a zigzag puzzle. It's difficult in the beginning, but then you eventually get used to it, of course. It has induction or wash basins, toilets and everything, and some rooms have those in them, like toilets inside the room, somehow outside, so it depends. There is induction, there is fridge, there is all that you require, and that's all that I have in the room and on the floor. How did you like it? Are you liking my video so far? If yes, then please do subscribe so that I keep making such videos. So now I'm going to talk about tomorrow. So I have to actually wake up at 8 a.m. and right now it's already 4, so I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I will, and I will record it too. We had just like a chilling day wherein we just had to chill.
बारिश आता है तो पानी आता है, जब ज़्यादा बारिश आता है तो ज़्यादा पानी आता है.
And tomorrow we have a lot of activities planned, cultural activities, mini convocation, and dinner and all of that. And like today, I mean, it's already 4, so yes, and I will try to record as much as I can and show it to you.
2,000 years later.
Good morning. So it's around 9 a.m. right now, and I'm going for breakfast in the hostel mess. So let's go and have breakfast. I woke up at around 8 a.m. so I haven't slept a lot, so you can see my eyes. Walk with me. We're going down the stairs right now, and then we need to go to the mess. So guys, this is the mess area. And this is
A few moments later.
so let's take you on the campus. Hi. How's the campus? How did you like it? Wow.
Oh, we are enjoying a lot.
Yes.
We are enjoying together. Already I'm burned.
वही तो जाके नहाना पड़ेगा.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out.
वो इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट लिखा वो कहाँ पर है? इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट उदयपुर वो लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ.
IIM उदयपुर लिखा हुआ है ना. बड़ा करके वो कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है?
Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore the
What? No, you can get the nickname. So you don't remember any of the others.
Yes, yes, sir.
नहीं हो गए.
wants to answer this question.
वो मुझे टेक्स्ट कर दे ऑलरेडी. पूछे कि ये लोग क्या अभी तक काम कर रहे हैं कि चले गए?
fact if you must.
Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Great to see so many familiar faces around.
ऑफलाइन तो मैंने क्लास नहीं अटेंड करा अभी तक. मैं यहाँ तक आया हूँ. दैट इज अ बिग थिंग. यू शुड लेट मी. वो तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. मुझे बता दो क्यों सर. आज तो पहली बात फ्राइडे नहीं है, एंड फ्राइडे ड्रेसिंग में भी जो आपने शर्ट एंड ब्लेजर के नीचे जो बॉक्सर पहना है वो अलाउड नहीं है, और इतने छोटे तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
किसी ने सही कहा है, किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो वाकई आपको मिल जाती है. 3 things: dream, persistence and hard work. And today here I'm standing with all of you in this podium at the Indian Institute of Management Udaipur.
To do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. You.
is the campus. I hope you're having a great time. Yay! It's huge. We're going for the batch photograph next, so. And then have the stairs over here, which takes you to different hostel blocks. So there are different hostel blocks everywhere, and you will get a lot more confused if you're like me, if you're new and you don't know what to do and where to go. So, and you can easily cover your 10k 20k steps over here, because it's like so much of walking, and just there's so much of walking. So everywhere there are hostel blocks, there are different blocks. Chocolate, some almonds in this, so thank you.
A few inches later.
So that was all I had from this vlog from IIM Udaipur. Hope you liked it. If you did, let me know. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then,